How to make $100 per day online, part 14. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 14th way I'm showing you. Hopefully you're enjoying all of these how to make $100 per day videos in this YouTube video case study or YouTube series, however you want to call it. Guys, before I'm going to show you this 14th way, and I absolutely love it because again, you don't need any experience or tech skills to do this. Please like this video, please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. It really helps me out with the algorithm, and this way I can record even more videos for you, all about making money online and working from home. You know what this channel is all about. Check out all the links in the description as well. I have my free courses, my coaching, all of the tools that I'm using to make money online. And right now, let's jump into this video. Okay, so let me share my screen, guys. What we will be doing here is flipping again. Okay, so you're at the middleman. It's called arbitrage or flipping, but this one is a little bit different because we will be flipping writing content. Okay, so for this, again, this can be done from anywhere in the world. You don't have to actually write anything because someone else will be doing the writing. You will be cashing in on the price difference. So guys, the cheapest websites to hire writers online is iWriter.com. okay, so I don't want you to become a writer and go to iWriter and write articles for a few dollars. I want you to be a business owner that goes there to hire people. Okay, so let's go to pricing, and as you can see, they have a variety of different prices. The cheapest right here is standard 1 star, and for 150 words they're charging $1.40. Okay guys, you can easily flip an article like this on Fiverr for $5 to $10. Okay, so you are 5xing to 10xing the amount of your investment, which is not an investment because you're getting the money up front. Even if you're gonna go premium or elite, it is still super cheap comparing to all the other websites. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this open and we will go to Fiverr. Now on Fiverr, obviously the main category will be writing and translation and article and blog post, but on iWriter you can find a writer for anything, for books, for ebooks, for script writing, for podcast writing, for product descriptions, for press releases, etc. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to give you an example when it comes to articles and blog posts, but keep your mind open. You have all of these different categories and you can really make a business out of it if you want to. Okay, so in the articles and blog post category, check this out. No one really goes lower than $15. So we have 50, 120, 15, 45, 10. This is probably for like 100 words, 40, 150, 35. So let's just take this first lady right here. She sold over 200 gigs, and let's see. So she charges $50 for 250 words. So let's go back to iWriter. Let's see, 250 words would cost us $2.20. Even going premium is $5. Elite is $7.70, and this lady charges $50. So guys, just imagine selling just one article or a couple of articles like this per day and doing no work whatsoever because you're not writing anything. Okay, so she has a little video right here probably explaining what she's doing, but look how many writers you have right here. You know, hundreds if not thousands of people are making just bank this way. You know, they are writing articles themselves, but you don't have to because you have iWriter. Okay, so guys, this is just one of the ways you can sell your articles, sell your blog posts. Just set up a Fiverr gig. I hope you already watched all the previous videos on this channel to see how to actually create your gig. It is super simple. Just mirror an already successful gig. So I would just mirror the title, description, and all of these packages. I would lower the price just a little bit for the first 10 orders and deliver faster. Okay, that's it in a nutshell, guys. Fiverr is still probably one of the cheapest websites online when it comes to hiring freelancers. You also have Upwork. On Upwork, you can find clients that will be paying you much more than whatever Fiverr is charging. So much more than $50 per 300 words. So I would highly recommend you set up an Upwork listing as well, and also a freelancer listing or any other freelancing website that comes into mind. You have peopleperhour.com. You have maybe some local websites where people can hire you. So guys, when it comes to making money online, there's so many different possibilities, and again, you don't have to do any work whatsoever because you can just hire someone for a couple of bucks. They will do the work. you cash in on the difference, and that's how you make money, and that's how you actually can scale up your results to well over $100 per day online. So guys, so that's the video I have for you today. I hope you see how powerful this is. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment, check out all the links in the description, watch the rest of the videos on this channel, and keep on coming back for new releases of the how to make money 30 ways to make $100 per day online. See you in the next one. Ciao.